Good afternoon, my dear students. Our chapter name is Units and Measurements. Once again, I recall the previous topics, synopsis 7 and 8, dimensions and dimensionless quantities. In some examples in your textbook page number 60 and 61. Question of units of derived quantities. Convert the following units of volume into desired units. Volume, we find out that convert 20 centimeter cube into meter cube. Centimeter cube into meter cube. Here 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. That equal 1 centimeter equal 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter equal 100. 10 into 10. 10 power 2 meters. 1 centimeter equal 10 power minus 2 meters. Here 20 centimeter cube equal 20 as it is into centimeter cube converted into meter cube. 1 centimeter equal 10 power minus 2 meters. 10 power minus 2 meters whole power 3. Again 20 into 10 power minus 2 into 3 and meter power cube. That equal 20 into 2 3s are 6 minus 6 meter cube. Here 20 centimeter cube converted into meter cube, 20 into 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Convert 0.2 meter cube into kilometer cube. Meter cube converted into the kilometer cube. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Again 1 kilometer equal to 10 cube meters. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 cube meters. Then we want meters. 1 meter equal 1 by 10 cube kilometers. That equal 10 power minus 3 kilometers. 0.2 meter cube equal 0.2 into meter cube converted into the kilometers. 1 meter equal 10 power minus 3 kilometers. Whole power cube kilometer. Meter cube value 10 power minus 3 kilometer whole power 3. 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 as it is into 3 whole power 3 there now into 3 kilometer cube. 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 3s are 9 kilometer cube. Here 0.2 meter cube converted into the kilometer cube. 0.2 into 10 power minus 9 kilometer cube. Next one. Convert cubic meter into cubic millimeter. Cubic meter converted into the millimeters. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. Again 1 meter equal 1000 means 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10 millimeters. 1 meter cube equaled 1 into meter cube converted into the millimeters 10 cube millimeter whole power cube. Whole power cube. Again 1 into 10 power 3 into 3 millimeter cube. 1 into 3 3s are 9. 10 power 9 millimeter cube. Convert the following units of density into desired units. Density. Density means mass by volume. Mass by volume. Converted gram centimeter inverse cube into kilogram meter inverse cube. Grams. Gram means mass. Centimeter. Mass by area. Here kilogram meter minus cube. 1 gram centimeter inverse cube equal to, see 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. But we want the 1 gram value, that equal 1 by 1000 kilograms. Again 1 by 10 cube kilogram. Again 10 power minus 3 kilograms. 1 gram equal 10 power minus 3 kilograms. Here 1 gram. 1 gram as it is. Here inverse there, no, that's why we will write the by centimeter cube. 1 gram equal how many kilograms? 10 power minus 3 kilograms divided by again centimeter cube. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Again centimeter equal 100 10 square 1 by 10 square meters, that equal 10 power minus 2 meters. 10 power minus 3 kilograms. Grams converted into kilograms. 10 power minus 3 kilograms. Centimeter converted into meters. 10 power minus 2 meters whole power 3. Here 10 power minus 3 kilograms by 10 power minus 2 into 3 and meter power cube. Again this division form after that is equal to inverse form. 10 power minus 3 kilogram into 10 power minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 6. That formation in numerator form we will write negative sign, here positive sign. 10 power 6, here positive sign there. In numerator that is the negative sign. Meter minus cube. Next, here bases are equal. 10 power minus 3, 10 power plus 6. Minus plus, minus into plus, that equal to minus. 10 power minus 3 plus 6 kilogram as it is. Meter inverse cube, that equal minus 3 plus 6 means plus 3. 1 gram centimeter inverse cube equal 10 cube kilogram meter inverse cube. 10 cube means 1000 kilogram meter inverse cube. Convert 50 kg meter inverse cube into gram centimeter inverse cube. Kilograms converted into the grams, meters converted into the centimeters. 50 as it is kg meter inverse cube. Then they will write divided by form meter cube. 50 into 1 kilogram. When we want 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, then 1 kg equal to 10 power cube grams. 10 power cube grams by meters. Meters converted into the centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Again 10 square centimeters. 50 into 10 cube grams by 10 square centimeters. 50 into 10 cube grams. Here denominator forms converted into the numerator form. 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 2 converted into 10 power minus 2 centimeter. Here centimeter inverse. 5 into 10 50, 10 cube into 10 power minus 2 gram centimeter inverse. 5 into here 10 power 1 plus 3, that equal 4 minus 2 gram centimeter inverse. 5 into 4 minus 2, 2 gram centimeter inverse. The following unit of speed into the desired units. Convert 1 meter second inverse into kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. kmph means kilometer per hour. Here meters converted into kilometers, seconds converted into the hours. Here 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. We want meters. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 by 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10 kilometers. 10 power minus 3 kilometers. Again 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 second equal to, we want the second value. 1 second equal to 1 by 60 minutes. Here 10 power minus 3 kilometers. Second inverse we will write the 1 by 60 minutes. 10 power minus 3 kilometers divided by 1 by 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 hours. That equal denominator forms going to the numerator form, and here inverse formation then numerator forms converted into the denominator form. Here 6 6 are 36, 2 zeros, 3600 divided by 10 power minus 3, that is converted into 10 power plus 3 kilometers. Again 10 cube value 1000, 2 zeros cancel, 2 5s are 2 18s are kilometer per hour. Here 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 1 meter second inverse converted into the 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Convert the following units of force into the required units. Force into the required units. Newton equal to kilogram meter second inverse 2. Convert 1 Newton into dynes. 1 Newton. 1 Newton equal to, here unit of force 1 Newton equal to 1 kilogram meter second inverse square. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. That is the 10 cube grams. And 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That equal 10 square centimeters. Here 1 kg value 10 cube grams. Meter value 10 square centimeters second inverse square. Here bases are equal 10 10. Powers 3 plus 2. Grams centimeter second inverse square. 10 power 3 plus 2 5 gram centimeter second inverse square. That equal 10 power 5 grams equal 1 dyne. 1 Newton equal 10 power 5 dyne. Here 10 power dyne. 1 Newton equal 10 power 5 dyne. Convert 5 kilo Newton into dyne. 5 kilo Newton. 5 as it is. Kilo means 1000 grams. Newton means 10 power 5 dyne. That equal 5 into bases are equal. That's why we will add the powers exponents. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 dyne. 5 into 10 power 8 dyne. Convert 20 million dyne into Newton. 20 as it is. Million means 10 power 6 million. Dyne means 10 power minus 5 newtons. That equal 20 as it is. Here bases are equal. 10 power 6 minus 5 newtons. 20 into 10 power 6 minus 5 1 newton. That equal 20 into 10 200 newtons. Convert the following units of energy into the required units. Energy. 1 joule equal kilogram meter square second inverse square. First one, convert joule into erg. 1 joule equal 1 Newton meter. 1 Newton equal 10 power 5 dyne into 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. 10 power square centimeters. That equal bases are equal. Exponents also add it. 10 power 5 plus 2 dyne centimeter. 10 power 7 dyne centimeter means 1 erg. 10 power 7 erg. Convert 25 million joule into mu erg. 25 million joule. 25 into 10 power 6 million means 10 power 6 joule. 25 into 10 power 6 into 1 joule equal to 10 power 7 erg. Erg. 10 power 7 erg. That equal 25 into as it is 20 power 6 10 power 7. 1 erg equal to 1 erg equal to 10 power 6 mu erg. 1 erg equal to here 10 power 6 mu erg. Again 25 into bases are equal. Exponents add it. 6 plus 7 plus 6 mu erg, that equal 25 into 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 19 mu erg. Dimensions. What is dimension and how to write dimension formula? Before going to discuss about dimension, we should know about basic physical quantity in basic units. We already discussed in the previous classes, right? There are mainly 7 basic quantities. Those are also called fundamental quantities. These are mass, length, time, temperature, current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. So, all the physical quantities can be derived from these basic physical quantities. When a quantity is expressed, these basic physical quantities, and it is written as product of different powers of the basic quantity. So, the exponent of a basic quantity that enters into the expression is called the dimension of the quantity in that base. Let's take a physical quantity, speed equal distance by time. Again, distance equal length by time. Here, dimension of the speed equal length into time inverse. So, the dimension of speed in all other basic quantities are 0. While we are calculating dimensions for any physical quantity, the magnitude are not considered. Let's see how to write dimensional formula. Before going to this topic, we are know about all basic quantities representation. Yes? Dimensional formula. Physical quantity, units, symbol used. Physical quantity is mass, unit kilogram, symbol kg. Length meter m, time second s, current ampere a, temperature Kelvin k, amount of substance mole mol, luminous intensity candela cd. So, a physical quantity which we can express in terms of the basic quantity is enclosed in square brackets. You remind that the equation is among the dimensions and not among the magnitude. Let's take a physical quantity, force. Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration value, velocity by time. Mass again, velocity displacement by time. Mass into length by time. That equal F equal m L T inverse square. Force is F equal mass length time inverse square. An expression for the physical quantity in terms of basic quantities is called dimensional formula. While calculating physical quantity, a dimensionally correct equation need not be actually correct, but dimensionally wrong equation must be wrong. A dimensional correct equation need not be actually correct, but dimensionally wrong equation must be wrong. Dimensionless physical constant. In physics, a dimensionless physical constant is a pure number having no units attached and having a numerical value that is independent of whatever system of units may be used. So, what are dimensionless quantities? These are the quantities which have no unit. They have only number but don't have any unit. So, they also have no dimensions. So, as they have dimension of dimensionless quantity is 1. Keep in mind, it's not 0. Most people think it's 0, but not 0. All the numbers and some constants are dimensionless numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here is the list of constants like pi. We know that pi value 3.14 and it has no unit, also no dimension. The same way, coefficient of friction is mu. It also has no units, so no dimension. Refractive index of medium, n also no units, also no dimension. And also Poisson's ratio. ఏమి లేదమ్మా, వేటికైతే ఫార్ములా ఉండి యూనిట్ ఉంటుందో దానిని డైమెన్షన్ అంటారు. ఫార్ములా కానీ యూనిట్ కానీ ఉండదో దానిని డైమెన్షన్ లెస్ కాన్స్టాంట్ అంటారు. ఫార్ములా ఉండి యూనిట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గ్రావిటేషనల్ కాన్స్టాంట్, గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ contacts with dimensions. Gravitational constant, we take the force F equal to gravitational force G mass 1 and mass 2 by r square, and we will get G value, G equal F r square by m1 m2. Unit of force is kilogram per meter per second square, and distance is meter. For mass, we have the unit kilogram. So we have, let's cancel out the kg. So we got the m cube over s square and over kg. Let's write the dimension. Meter for length, second is the time, kilogram is the mass. So we got m would go up, raised to the power m power minus 1, l cube, and t raised to the power of minus 2. Now I will explain practice sheet 1, page number 57. Page number 57, practice sheet 1, conceptual understanding questions. First question, a standard value which is used to measure a physical quantity is called. ఏదైతే ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీని మెజర్ చేసే స్టాండర్డ్ వాల్యూని ఏమంటారు? ఫస్ట్ వన్ స్కేల్, మీటర్, యూనిట్, సెకండ్. Which are measure the physical quantity, that standard value is called the unit. Answer is unit. Second question, the desirable features of a standard unit are. Standard unit ki unde ముఖ్యమైన లక్షణాలు ఏంటి? Consistent. Consistent means not varying with the time. Time తో పాటుగా vary చేయదు, దాన్ని consistent అంటే. Reproducible, that is reproduced, again we will reproduced. Variable, variable means constant. All of these all are features of standard unit. Answer is all of these. Third question, which of the following system of units is not based on only units of mass, length and time? ఏవైతే సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్ మీన్స్ ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్, ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్కి బేస్డ్ క్వాంటిటీ కానివి ఏంటి? బేస్డ్ క్వాంటిటీ కాని యూనిట్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? మాస్, లెంత్ అండ్ టైమ్. సిజిఎస్ మీన్స్ సెంటీమీటరు, గ్రాము, సెకండ్. దట్ మీన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద మాస్, లెంత్, టైమ్. MKS, meter, kilogram, second. FPS, foot, pound, second. Here not based unit is SI unit, system of international unit. Answer is SI. Fourth question, which of the following is not the name of physical quantity? Here measurements are two types, physical quantities and fundamental quantities. Physical quantity, not the name of the physical quantity. Here time, speed, force, kilogram. Physical quantity is not time. This is the base quantity. We know that mass, length, time are the base quantities. Speed, force, kilogram, these all are the physical quantities. Answer is time. The SI system of unit is adopted in. ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఎస్ఐ సిస్టమ్ని స్టార్ట్ చేశారు అంటే 1961. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 1961. సింగిల్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్. ఒకే ఒక ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. 6th క్వశ్చన్. ద SI యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ ల్యూమినస్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఈజ్. ల్యూమినస్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ మీన్స్ ప్రకాశవంతమైన కాంతి తీవ్రత. ల్యూమెన్, క్యాండెలా, ఫ్లక్స్, రేడియన్. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ క్యాండెలా. 7th క్వశ్చన్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వాంటిటీస్ యాజ్ ఇట్స్ యూనిట్ యాజ్ జూల్. దేనిని యూనిట్ జూల్ లాగా యూజ్ చేస్తారు? ఎనర్జీ, టార్క్, మొమెంటం, యాంగులర్ వెలాసిటీ. ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఎనర్జీ. The SI unit of temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. K for Kelvin, C for candela. We know that is the light luminous. And small t. Time, capital T. Answer is candela. 9th question. The symbol of unit of plane angle. The symbol of unit of plane angle. First one theta, lambda, rad, no units. Answer is radian. That symbol is RAD, rad. 10th question. The branch of science which deals about measurement. The branch of science which deals about measurements గురించి సైన్స్లో ఒక బ్రాంచ్ డీల్ చేసిద్ది, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? కెమిస్ట్రీ, physics, biology, astronomy. Answer is physics. 11th question. Among the following, the odd one is. Among the following, the odd one is pound, quintal, ton, angstrom. These are the mass units. Mass measurements. Mass means weight measurements. Pound, quintal, ton. Angstrom is the one of the light measurement. That is the angstrom. 12th question. A cube has sides of length 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Calculate its volume. The cube has sides of length. Here given length value, that is length of the cube is 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Cube, you know, this is the 2D picture. Cube means like this, 3D picture. Square, 3D of square. Here given value, length, one of the length value, that is the 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Find out the volume of the cube. Total volume of the cube. 3 sides of the volume. 3 sides length. Here formula is L cube. L cube means L into L into L. V equal to 1 L value 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters into again L value, again L value. Here 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 value is 1.728 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. One of the base value is, which are bases are equal, that exponential form is sum. That means base value 10 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that equal 10 power minus 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 minus, that is the 6. Meter into meter into meter, that equal to meter cube. Here volume we measured in meter cube. Answer is 1.728 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. Here answer is 1.7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube. 13th question. Convert 1 second into a day. 1 second into a day. 24 hours into 1 second. That is 1 by 86,400 day. Answer is 1 by 86,400 a day. And 1 second equal to 24 day. This is not a correct answer. 1 by 24th day. 1 by 3,600 day. These are all wrong answers. Answer is 86,400 day. 13th question. Convert 1 second into day. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Again 24 into 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then we want second value. Here 24 into 60 as it is, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That equals 6 6 are 36. 36 into 24. That equal 86,400 seconds. That is 1 day equal how many seconds? 86,400 seconds. But we want here convert 1 second into day. Now second as it is 1 day. Here 86,400 into second. After equal, that is divided by. Second as it is 86,400 after equal, that is the divided by 86,400. Now 1 second equal to 1 by 86,400 day. Part of the day 1 by 86,400.